Wait.
Are you recording?
Oh, what ice.
Oh!
Oh, Dylan, you broke my car! What'd you do? You just completely broke my window.
The window is broken.
I guess I'm not strong.
Oh, now we gotta replace it.
Yeah.
Uh,
Probably cost me like $5,000.